more than just water can be manipulated by the human magnetic field. It's the EM field around everything. Oops. I mean, even you might notice the further away I am, it's even more effective. And I'm doing it in a circle around it. It's not air pressure, that's for sure. And you can hold it and make it stop. You have a fallback array right here. You're pretty amazing as a being. Your creator made you this way. And I suggest you practice with it. It was given to you at birth and nobody told you. So I'm just sharing some shit with you that's pretty obvious. Your magnet field comes through your biology and it affects matter. Your feet have an even stronger field. Funny enough, give that a try. Thank you, dumbest guy in the room, for showing me that. Anyway, it's Thursday. Hope everybody's having a good day. I'm gonna work tomorrow. I'll be there early. Alright, much love, y'all. Work on that magnet.